our task today is a very short one, it's a simple one in Excel. So we need to do two things. If you look at my data, I've got a list of first names, a list of last names. But if you look at how the data is captured, I have some names starting with a capital letter, others are not capital letter, and others are not. So same applies to the surname. We have some surnames, last names starting with a small letter, while the others starting with a capital letter. So what I will do first, I will need to convert all these to capital letters, the first character, not the whole word, but the first character only for the first name and last name. So I'll just call it another cool heading. I'll just call it F name. This one I'll just call it L name. Then I'll also need another one which will be the combined first name and last name. This one I'll just call it full name, like that. So that will be my new headings. So now if you look at it's fine, let's just convert the first name. So before I do that, let me select my data, go to insert table. I just need this to be converted into a table. Then select my table is heading. Yes, it is heading, so that's fine. So I have my data like that in form of a table. Then now what I'll do is I'm going to use a function which is known as proper. So I'll say equal sign, then proper. So that's the function proper. Select the function, then select the name that I want to be converted. This one is already converted, but we need the whole column to follow that. So after that, just press enter. So if you check, all my first names now starts with a capital letter. So the same applies to the last name. I hope you can do that on your own. So equal sign, then type proper. That's the name of the function, proper. Then go on to last name. You do the same thing. Click on last name, you press enter. So you have your first name, your last name now in starting with capital letters. Now I'm going to join the first name and last name to be in one cell. So now I'm going to use a function which is called concatenate. So just put equal sign, then type concatenate. So to concatenate is to join. So that's my function, concatenate. So how do you join? So you can join any number of texts. So these are text values, so that's what I'm going to join. So the first I'm going to join this one and that one. So I'm going to click on first name. So each text is separated by a comma, so I'm going to place a comma. But the challenge is if I choose last name again, my data will come out without a space. So what I will do is I'm going to put speech marks. Open, create a space. So open and close speech marks with a space, so that the first name is not joined to the last name. I hope it's making sense. Then you click on last name. So I'm joining, so concatenate can join any number of text. So I've joined 3 text characters: first name, then space in between, then last name. So finally just press enter like that. So you have your names. Now first name, last name starting with a capital letter, then the full name, which is first name joined to the last name. So that was a simple task for today. Capitalizing the first character is concatenating or joining 2 or more words or text values. Thank you so much.